Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, it feels like springtime this evening. Temperatures are in the upper 50s to around 60. Unusually mild. Check out the numbers, including 57 now in Newport with rain and wind. That'll continue through 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Smithfield, you've cracked 60 degrees at 61 right now. Temperatures will start to trend back and cool off by later tomorrow morning and certainly back in the 40s tomorrow afternoon. In downtown Providence, skies are cloudy, windy with off and on showers continuing, so the rain and wind through the overnight, and still trending colder. Even though it's pretty warm right now, we've been really talking about this big change in the weather pattern now the last week and a half, and it's still a go. It starts on Friday. It'll go through the weekend and all of next week and perhaps beyond. The weather pattern shifting to one that favors colder than average temperatures, and even a couple of chances for some snow. The first one coming up later Friday night into Saturday. A lot of uncertainty. At this point, we don't anticipate a snowstorm, but this is certainly worth watching. We may get grazed with a little light snow, especially along the coastline. So stay tuned on this one. Again, it's for Friday night into Saturday. And it'll be cold enough to support snow at that time, even though it's very warm right now, tracking rain, heavy at times off to our west. In fact, downpours across the Berkshires and western Connecticut. This is all headed our way, really the next 2 to 3 hours ahead of a strong cold front. As this cold front inches closer overnight tonight, the rain comes down hard, midnight, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. The wind starts to increase even more, and even the potential for some thunderstorms. And then the sharp clearing behind the front, all of this dry air belongs to us for tomorrow. Once we get beyond, say, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, the showers are done. Sliver of warm air up and down the East Coast right now, but you can see the cooler to colder temperatures across the northern plains and the Great Lakes starting to pour down. We'll start to feel this a little bit tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Not terribly cold. Getting a little colder on Friday and then much colder over the weekend. And pretty much our air will be coming from this direction all of next week, so temperatures running below average next week. Futurecast shows the heavy downpours and thunderstorms coming through 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. By 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, most of this is gone. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, there may be a leftover isolated shower. We'll start off with clouds, but watch by mid to late morning the rapid clearing from northwest to southeast. Skies are brightening by noontime. The temperature starting to drop as the drier air comes in. So second half of the day looks a little brighter. We'll start off kind of cloudy and damp early in the morning, but the general trend for tomorrow will be for improving weather. Strongest winds, the area shaded in purple. This is right about now, and that core of strong wind until about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Notice by tomorrow morning at 6, 7 a.m., those strong wind gusts are gone. The wind speeds are coming down. The dry air is coming in, and the sunshine winds out. Showers ending by 7 a.m., gradual clearing. Don't let that 50 fool you. It's early in the morning. It does cool off. You'll need a windbreaker and a jacket during the afternoon as temperatures fall through the 40s. We are dry on Thursday. Friday day is actually dry. It's Friday night into Saturday, watching with some interest as far as the potential for some light snow. Stay tuned. Temperatures over the weekend chilly with daytime highs only in the middle 30s. You can download the Channel 12 weather app on your smartphone and your tablets as well. A couple more hours, the rain's going to come down pretty hard and the wind's going to get even stronger.
Between cars and even people walking, all those leaves on the ground and the wetness makes it slippery.
Yeah, and if you cleaned your yard a couple of days ago, it is a carpet of leaves right now.
All right, thanks, Tony.